Daddy, you already have your pure collagen powder.
Legit?
Oh. Yeah, of course. And here you are, vitamin C powder, Daddy. Tang tagadang dadang.
Para pa puti?
Di ba?
Gusto ko para pa itom na po. Naputi na talaga.
It's nice actually for the skin and for my bones. Body bumps. So, ha?
Baligyan na.
Wala ko gali siya, oh. Diba? Once daily, they are supplements. So, we'll be staying healthy. We'll be staying vitamin C, virgin coconut oil, pure collagen, my Reishi coffee, and my raw organic meal. So, Daddy will not convince me of eating his yummy food already. I already have this. So, there you go, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, because health is wealth. This is Charmaine signing off.